To edit lock screen clock style on the Redmi Note 14S, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you'll have to go into the settings, and from here you have to scroll down and go for the wallpaper and personalization. As you are here, you'll have to navigate into the lock style, and from here you can select the clock style from these pre-made lock screens. As you can see, here are a couple of different styles available. You can also take a look at this one. This is also like pretty nice right here and is different. You can go for this clock style, you can edit it and take a look for all of these fonts right here. So yeah, you can either select from these pre-made lock screens right here, or you can customize this default lock screen by going into the customize and simply selecting your these widgets, this clock right here, and from here you have to select the font, and here you can change the font of this clock style, like for all of these different lock screens. And you can additionally change the color. The primary color applies to all of these. Oh no, actually not all of these. The primary color applies to these three widgets, and the secondary color will be applying for these rest two right here. Yeah, so that's basically it. After you are done with this lock screen clock style customization, you can press done and apply, and yeah, that's basically it.